Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from... I've always called them Samyang foods, ladies and gentlemen, but I don't think that's how you're supposed to say it. And I can never see where the middle of my hat is on my head, so I always feel like it must be crooked. It may still be. But this is Samyang Foods Buldak Tomato Paste flavor. Tomato paste. Pasta. Tomato pasta flavor, not tomato paste. My third review of the day. I'm getting rummy, folks. But no, there's no rum involved. But this one I'm confused by. Noisy. Turn it down. This one I'm confused by because, okay, you got a powder sachet. Alright. You've got a Buldak spicy sauce sachet. Okay. And then you've got your noodle block, which cooks for 5 minutes. Dropping it in right now. Setting it for 5. Wait a second. How do we cook it? This is what's getting me. The instructions tell you to cook it for 5 minutes, drain it, and add the sachets in. Stir it up and you're done. There's nothing about add in so many spoons of water or any of that. I'm not sure if they decided, oh, well, people aren't doing that in the States, so maybe we should just like ditch that aspect. Or I like it with a sauciness to it, but I don't know if this is like for all their varieties, their export varieties, if they've done this with them. I'm gonna have to look, because usually you add in full, is it 8 spoons? 8 spoons of water. 1 spoon of water is 15 grams. It's or 15 mils. It's a tablespoon. And then you stir it up and fry it in the, cook it in the pot a little bit with that small amount of liquid, and it kind of permeates everything, and you're done. Well, I don't know. I don't know why they would change that unless that is something inherent to this variety, making it special. So we shall see. I certainly hope that's the case, is that they want to be doing that, because I don't know, it's just like so many of them that I've tried haven't been that way. It's almost 2 o'clock. Got 7 hours. I know I can beat this guy in my steps and all that stuff. Man, it's getting close. Let's see. We've got... I'm sure he's done more stepping. Tell me he has. Then again, what's the time zone over there? They're like, what? 12 and a half hours ahead? So it's like 2:30 a.m. there? Hey! Says... I don't know. He was active 6 minutes ago. Maybe he's asleep. Maybe he's rolling around in bed and it's checking how much he sleeps. I don't know, but it just seems a little funny. But then not so. Yeah. Come on. Cook the noodles. Yeah, I'll be curious how this turns out. It sounds good. If it's anything like the, what do you call it? The spaghetti with meat sauce. Looks like we're going to attend a birthday tonight via Zoom. from my wife's grandfather. Happy birthday to you, sir. I believe it's his 99th birthday. He's a really neat dude. He's a World War II vet. And yeah, done a lot of neat stuff in his life. So yeah, I've never experienced the Zoom birthday yet. I lucked out because all the lockdown and junk like that started right after my birthday. At least that's, yeah. So, 40 seconds to go. Yeah. You know what I've noticed lately on my walks in the morning? A lot of people out camping. Like, homeless people that are like way more visible lately. Probably because the weather's been nice. Today it's kind of like, I don't know, it rained, it sprinkled a little bit. But yeah, just like a whole bunch, it seems like a whole bunch of homeless people have kind of converged on this area. Which, I mean, hey, if I were homeless, I'd come here. We've got this trail that's like full of rabbits and really, really quiet for a long part of the day. So it's like, there you go. Nobody's gonna bug you. Hopefully. Getting good sleep is important for everybody in every walk of life, ladies and gentlemen. Unless you're me, I live off of 4 hours of sleep every night. Actually, I shouldn't say that. I think I got a whole 5 hours of sleep last night. A rare thing for me. I don't know. It's like I sleep and then all of a sudden I wake up. I usually wake up like a few minutes before my alarm goes off. It's like I've got a weird thing about time. I'm kind of extra sensitive to it, it seems. Which is okay. I'm always early. That's important. I'm not one of those people who like to be late. I swear, there's some people that just give such a little crap about being late. Especially when there's a lot of people depending on them and waiting for them. Irritating. So, I don't... Tomato paste. That makes me think that this might be like Parmesan cheese. But I could be wrong. But we'll see. Maybe it's some kind of... It says powder. It doesn't say garnish. If it's red, It's definitely cheese. That's cheese. Okay. So we're gonna put that on at the end. It's tough because it's like, oh man, I should be doing a mukbang of this, but that might just have to wait. I'll be honest, I found out something last night. I've been walking like a whole lot, and when I do all this walking, obviously I eat more, and one thing I've been pounding like Cliff Bars and protein drinks, and I'm a nut job for these, for graham crackers and jelly. But it's like, last month at one point, I think I was down to like 204, and now I'm at 220. It's like, but, I don't know, that's kind of creepy. My wife was like, oh, it's probably all muscle. Another friend of mine, yeah, you know, that could be a lot of muscle. Somebody else, yeah, it's probably a lot of muscle. I mean, it's like, I am drinking I'm taking in a lot of protein and doing a lot of exercise. I mean, none of my clothes have changed how they fit. That would seem like, I mean, it almost seems like my clothes are getting bigger. So maybe that's a possibility. But no, I want to get under 100, 200 pounds. Like, screw the muscle. But I don't know. So here's the noodle, and I'm gonna put a little sprinkle on this, like So there we go. Guess we'll find out for sure if this is that's good. That's good. One thing is it's weird because it's like it tastes like good spaghetti. It's probably, I will say that's the best instant spaghetti-like thing I've ever had. For sure. But it's the heat level and all that. That's just weird. It's like it shouldn't be all spicy. Got some chicken. Put all chicken in. Except for this piece. I'm gonna eat that. I mean, I guess I could have used some chashu and made it kind of like a carbonara kind of thing, but then again, it is hot chicken flavor ramen deal. Let's do this. I want to make sure all surfaces are coated. God, that's good enough. There's some chickeny goodness in with the... Man, now I'm getting hungry. I could totally pound that. It would save the need to do one further down the line. We got that. We got the powder. The powder is sweet and cheesy and yummy. And plentiful, holy moly. There's quite a bit of this stuff. It's like snowing, it's Christmassy. And here it is. Do some color. There you go. And because it's just my thing, little red pepper flake. Oh. Well, what just happened? That's what you're wondering. What just happened? So, it looks like the battery for this 360 cam is just not holding as much charge as it used to, which really blows, because then again, I mean, I understand 360 cam. I mean, I put you through... What? This is like episode 740, close to 740 episodes. I put you through the ringer. I understand. You're tired. You want it. You're ready for retirement. Luckily, I do have another 360 camera. I picked it up off of eBay for next to nothing. It was like 30 bucks, 40 bucks, 50 bucks. I just don't know. But what I do know is that's what I've been using for the chocolate break. Which, by the way, probably shortly. I'm guessing I probably didn't have time to edit it as of yet of this, but there will be new chocolate break coming soon. It's just really hard to find any time with me being such a psychopath about walking everywhere and being a weirdo. So, oh, there's some tomato, and I'm gonna put some fried onion on top as well, cause yeah. It's crazy because I would like to do a mukbang of this one, but I've got other stuff I need to mukbang up that they sent. They sent like the challenge one, which is an ice type, and they also sent like the 3x spicy, and oh man, it just goes on and on and on. Come on, go right behind it. Hi Mimi, how you doing? All right, I'm calling this all good. All right, let's listen to some of this music. Let the rotation begin now. Why are you yelling at me, Mimi? All right, well, this looks like it's a winner, folks. I'm pretty impressed with the taste I had of it. I might do a mukbang still. But yeah, good stuff. And yeah, thank you for watching. And it's been Oz the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.